Hi Manju, how are you? Namaste. Hello Manju. You remember me? I am Uma from Kuwait. First of all, I want to thanks to your daughter Soumya giving me this opportunity to speak about you on your auspicious retirement day. Okay. We did a 2IDC program in Control Medical College of Nursing in 1992. As we did as a colleagues. But in GNM nursing, you are my junior, but even though in BSc nursing, you are my good companion. Yeah? Our batch was 10 members. Out of 10 members, we 3 were very close. You, me and Nirmala. We were very close and we spent quality time, very happy. And so many sweet memories we had, and our batchmates also were very affectionate each other. Remember, we were 3 people, you, me and Nirmala were doing combined studies in Budwarpet on terrace. We always gathering after college, 6 to 10 p.m. we were gathering and we were doing the combined studies. And out of 3 hours, this 6 to 10 means nearly 4 hours. Out of these 4 hours, we were studying only, maybe hardly we were spending only 1 hour for studies only, or 1 hour or 2 hours only. Remaining all the time, remaining hours we were studying and we were talking, laughing and eating our Kurnool famous chili bhaji, mirchi bhaji. We were eating and enjoying and laughing it was very sweet memories at that time. Okay. Studying, when I was having so many doubts, you people were laughing and you people were clarifying my doubts, and you and Nirmala were saying how you are getting like these doubts and ideas which we are not getting like that, and you people were laughing. It was really, and whenever I was in depression in the studies, when in the tension and stress, you supported me, you guided me, and you encouraged me for this all my course time. This makes me my course better, brighter, and very hopeful. I was leading all this training period. I was always coming. You remember, I used to visit your home when mummy and daddy, your sister and brother, I used to come and visit them. And whenever I come to your home, you were offering me food, especially rice and palli podi and roti pachallu. I was eating with that and I enjoyed a lot in your home. And you people, your parents and all family members were very affectionate, and they honored me also. Very gratefully they honored me whenever I comes your home. After our BSc nursing, we all scattered here and there. Manju, you settled in Kurnool, Nirmala went to Tirupati, I came to Kuwait. But though I was away from you people, whenever I used to come, I was visiting you. But your status and your position, it was changed at that time. Though your status and position changed also, but you never changed. You were as before, as same as before, but very affectionate, very lovely, and you are talking to me always with a smiling face, and you are always adoring me. How are you? Like that, you are very affectionately you are talking to me. That really, that has been for me very invaluable feelings for me about this. Manju, retirement, now today is your retirement day. Retirement is not the end, but a new beginning. Embraces the new chapter with the same enthusiasm. Last but not least, wishing a happy, healthy and relaxation retirement. God bless you dear, you and your family. Love you. Lots of love from Kuwait. Thank you. Namaste Manju. Bye.